Hello friends, welcome back to the Crypto Skill. Are you new to crypto and feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. Every single day, thousands of beginners lose their hard-earned money not because the market crashed, not because they were unlucky but because of simple, avoidable mistakes. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 crypto mistakes that beginners make, and most importantly, how you can avoid them. Stay till the end because mistake number 5 is the one that costs people the most. Money and almost nobody talks about it. Let's get into it. Mistake 1. Investing money they can't afford to lose. The very first and most common mistake beginners make is putting in money they cannot afford to lose. Crypto is one of the most volatile markets in the world. Bitcoin alone has dropped 80% in value multiple times in its history. Ethereum, Solana, and other altcoins can drop even more. So what happens when beginners invest their rent money? Their emergency savings, or money they borrowed? They panic, and when they panic, they sell at the worst possible time at the bottom. Here's the golden rule of crypto investing. Never invest more than you can afford to lose completely. Think of your crypto investment like a movie ticket. If you buy a movie ticket and the movie is bad, you've lost that money but your life doesn't fall apart. That's the mindset you need. Start small. Even $50 or $100 is enough to learn the market. Once you understand how it works, you can slowly increase your investment. The goal is to stay in the game long enough to see results, and that's only possible if you invest responsibly. Mistake 2. Buying crypto based on hype. The second biggest mistake beginners make is buying crypto because someone told them to, a celebrity, a social media influencer, or a friend who claims they made a fortune overnight. You've seen it before. A coin goes viral on Twitter or TikTok. Everyone is talking about it. The price is going up fast, and you think, I need to get in before I miss out. This feeling is called FOMO, fear of missing out, and it has destroyed more crypto portfolios than any bear market. Here's what actually happens in most cases. By the time you hear about a coin on social media, the early investors have already bought in at a very low price. They pump up the hype, you and thousands of other beginners buy in, and then they sell. The price crashes, and you're left holding a coin that's worth half of what you paid for it. This is called a pump and dump scheme, and it's extremely common in the crypto world. So what should you do instead? Do your own research before buying any coin. Ask yourself these questions. What problem does this coin solve? Who is the team behind it? What is the total supply of the coin? Is it listed on reputable exchanges like Coinbase or Binance? What do credible sources say about it? Never buy a coin just because it's trending. Buy it because you understand it. Mistake 3. Not using a hardware wallet. Leaving crypto on exchanges. Mistake number 3 is one of the most dangerous, and that is leaving your crypto on an exchange and never moving it to a personal wallet. You've probably heard the phrase, not your keys, not your coins. What does this mean? When you buy crypto on an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, you don't actually own that crypto. The exchange holds it for you. And if that exchange gets hacked, goes bankrupt, or freezes, withdrawals, your money is gone. This has happened many times in crypto history. The most famous example is FTX, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, which collapsed in 2022. Millions of users lost billions of dollars because they trusted the exchange to hold their funds. The solution is simple. Move your crypto to a personal wallet where only you hold the private keys. There are 2 types of wallets you should know about. Software wallets, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. These are free apps on your phone or computer. They are more secure than exchanges but still connected to the internet. Hardware wallets, like Ledger or Trezor. These are physical devices that store your crypto completely offline. This is the most secure option and highly recommended for anyone holding significant amounts of crypto. If you're just starting out, at minimum, move your crypto to a software wallet. As your portfolio grows, invest in a hardware wallet. Your security is worth it. Mistake 4. Trying to time the market. Mistake number 4 is something even experienced investors struggle with, and that is trying to time the market perfectly. Beginners often think like this: I wait until the price drops a little more, then I buy, or I sell now and buy back when it's lower. Sounds smart, right? But here's the problem: nobody, not even the best traders in the world, can consistently predict where the market will go next. The crypto market moves 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It reacts to news, regulations, whale movements, and sometimes even tweets from influential people. By the time you think you've figured out the pattern, the market does something completely unexpected. Studies have shown that the average retail investor who tries to time the market actually makes less money than someone who simply buys and holds. So what's the smarter strategy? It's called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. Instead of trying to buy at the perfect time, you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, for example, $50 every week or every month regardless of the price. Sometimes you'll buy high, sometimes you'll buy low, but over time, your average cost evens out, and historically, Bitcoin and Ethereum have gone up significantly over long periods. DCA removes the emotion from investing. You don't panic when the price drops. You don't get greedy when it rises. You just stick to your plan. And that consistency is what builds real wealth over time. Mistake 5. Falling for crypto scams. And now we've reached the biggest mistake of all, the one that costs people the most money, and that is falling for crypto scams. The crypto world is unfortunately full of scammers, and they are getting smarter every single year. Here are the most common scams you need to watch out for. Scam 1. Fake giveaways. You've probably seen these. Elon Musk is giving away 1,000 Bitcoin. Send 0.1 BTC to receive 1 BTC back. These are 100% scams. No legitimate person or company will ever ask you to send crypto first to receive more crypto back, ever. Scam 2. Rug pulls. A new crypto project launches with a beautiful website, big promises, and heavy marketing. People invest, then suddenly the developers disappear with all the money. This is called a rug pull. To avoid this, always research the team behind a project, look for audited smart contracts, and be extremely cautious with new, unproven projects. Scam 3. Phishing attacks. Scammers create fake websites that look exactly like Coinbase, MetaMask, or Binance. You enter your login details or seed phrase and your entire wallet is drained instantly. Always double-check the URL before entering any sensitive information. Never share your seed phrase with anyone, not even customer support. Scam 4. Pump and dump groups. On Telegram and Discord, there are many groups that claim to give you insider tips on which coins will pump next. In reality, the organizers have already bought the coin and are using you to pump the price so they can sell. Avoid these groups completely. The best protection against scams is education. The more you know, the harder it is for scammers to trick you. Conclusion. So let's quickly recap the top 5 crypto mistakes beginners make. Mistake 1. Investing money you can't afford to lose. Start small and only invest what you're okay losing completely. Mistake 2. Buying based on hype and FOMO. Always do your own research before buying any coin. Mistake 3. Leaving your crypto on exchanges. Move your coins to a personal wallet where you hold the keys. Mistake 4. Trying to time the market. Use dollar cost averaging instead and stay consistent. Mistake 5. Falling for scams. Stay educated and never share your seed phrase with anyone. Crypto can genuinely change your financial future, but only if you approach it the right way. Avoid these mistakes, stay patient, and keep learning. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Crypto Skill for more beginner-friendly crypto education. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these mistakes have you made. Let's learn together. See you in the next video.